Hello everyone, I have a special unboxing today. This year I purchased the Artsnacks travel collection box, which was quite a bit more expensive. So let's find out. I've cut it open. This is the box it came in. The box is smaller than I thought it would be, but thicker. So that's my first impression is, oh, it's smaller, but let's see. And I'm moving the box aside. We have the usual green tissue paper. I think they showed us a sneak peek of this pencil case, so that's not so much a surprise to me. It feels like really good quality. I love the color, of course, and then we have the logo. Let's see it looks like everything fits inside here, which is pretty neat. There's pocket here and here, and going inside, let's see what we have. We have a little brochure, Zig Travel Collection. That looks like the menu. These look like stickers, although they feel like thicker stickers. But they're not window stickers. They're definitely adhesive. I'll put that there for now. Well, what is this? A travel collection special edition Irodori Kobako. I don't speak Japanese, so hopefully I didn't butcher that. Oh, I think this is a set of watercolors. Gansai Tambi. This is nice in a little box. It's not super small though, so I don't know. It might be great for taking here and there, but maybe not on longer trips. Ooh, and it looks like we have, oh, it's kind of cracked. You see that? I don't know why, but the red and the black seem to be rather cracked, and then the gold one looks bubbly. This is a Zig Mangak A flexible water-based pigment. So it probably dries permanent. Nice box. I'm gonna set this right here. Oops, not that far. And we have a water brush, which looks like a pointy fine tip. This you get off, oh yeah, it's clockwise and counterclockwise. And then of course we have a Derwent graphic pencil. That's not super exciting considering I think I've had the same exact pencil in another Artsnacks box. Oops, that's too far. You can't see it, can you? Well, let's move this down just a hair. I was gonna sample these things, but maybe I'll just, you know, show you. That's the, yeah, I should write it down. Derwent graphic in a very versatile HB hardness of lead. This doesn't have any water in it, so maybe we should put some in it. Where's my handy dandy? Here it is. It's pretty easy. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, this is not. You probably squeeze it. Let me try this way. I was just gonna pour it in, but you can probably squeeze and suck it up. Yeah, I didn't get a whole lot there though. So, not very good at that, but that's hopefully enough for me to try out these colors. I have some other water right here, but it's dirty, so I don't want to use that. Okay, and maybe I will, do I have a sprayer somewhere? Water, yes. Does this have water in it? Hopefully. Let's wet them. Did I just go out of frame? I did. I'm just spraying these to get them wet, and then we'll see what those look like. And then let's test out, before getting too far, the Zig Mangak A flexible. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. Zig Mangak. That's a terrible. I'm sure it's not pronounced like that. A flexible. And I think am I in frame? Yeah. All right. And that's this. Did it say it's water-based pigment? So I'm guessing that you can move it right away. No, not a whole lot. It dries pretty quickly on this paper that I have here, mixed media paper. So there's that pin. Now let's see what we have here. And I'll label these later, but oh, it's a very bronzy looking color. I thought it was going to be more gold. not so much. I need something to clean my brush off on. Here we go. Paper towel. And the cracked red. I think it's red. Ooh, it looks red, but to me, this looks very pink coming out here. I wonder if I can make it redder. No, this is very pink color, not super red. Okay, that's interesting because what I would have said it was a red. Well, I did say it was a red, didn't I? I love this color. This is like a mint seafoam color. I don't think I have this color either. Get a clean brush. And then we have a darker, what looks like a forest green in the pan. Let's see what it comes out as. I'm not doing these in any particular order. As you can see, I'm going all over the place. So, well, it's very similar and yet just darker. And did I just stick my head in there? Sorry, folks. And I thought this cracked one here was black, but I think, nope, yep, it's a blue. That's so funny. Well, obviously I can't tell, and I think, am I out of water already? Nope, I'm not. It's a very nice deep blue hue. And finally, what is this, a raw sienna? That's a nice color too. So maybe I'll mix those and try that out later, but I don't want this to be a super long video because we're just checking this stuff out. There's that. What else is in this bag of goodies that costs, what, $80 or something? Oh, it's a Coco Hero. Now, I have a Coco Hero, and it's in this beautiful light blue color, but this little guy has hedgehogs on it. He's pretty cute, and I think I was planning on bringing my little blue Coco Hero. It's a nice pen, but I mean, I don't need another one, so darn, another repeat. Okay, so Coco Hero, and that is where on this map? I mean, on this menu. There it is, Coco Hero letter pen. Customize the way you draw. Derived from the Japanese words kokoro, meaning heart, and iro, meaning color, this pen was made for you to choose each part separately to match your mood. Well, I guess that means that I could probably put my blue cap on this, right? You think? Do you think that would look good together? The blue and the yellow hedgehogs? I mean, maybe. If I wanted to bring the hedgehogs with me, maybe I can find it. No, I don't know that I can. Okay, there's that one. The case is looking pretty nice here. I think it's going to be useful. We have, oh, look at that. It's, well, I'm going to go out on a limb and say it's in Japanese, but I am not 100% sure about that. I don't know why they would put a different language on there, though. Let's stick it down and cover up these alcohol marks that went through on the other page. Extreme sour. These warheads, I mean, they're too sour for me even. And that's it. I pulled out 3 more things from the case. Let's pull this down here. We have some drawing paper that says it's high quality drawing paper for various purposes, suitable for Kansai watercolor, marking pens, and coloring pencils. Does it say the weight anywhere? I don't know. Okay. Oh, but look at that. It does look like watercolor paper, doesn't it? It does not. Oh, look. Yeah, it's a postcard. Cool. It does not feel as thick as 140 pound, but, you know, whatever. Let's try the pen out on this. This is a brush writer, Kuretake Zig brush writer. Retail $7.50. Brush writer packs a punch of color filled with water-based dye ink. To start the ink flow, unscrew the brush from the barrel and remove the yellow ring. Right, I have some that were like this, but oh, Persian blue. I was just about to say, what color is this? But I did see that. Okay. Why did I shake that? I don't know. I don't think you need to shake it. But you do need to squeeze it. Come on. Oh, I see some coming out there. Ooh, I do like this color. Persian blue. Lovely. Oops, I messed up my heart. Okay, putting the cap back on that, and where's my water brush? Let's see if we can fix this thing, huh? Well, maybe it's not a heart, huh? What is it? I don't know. And let's try some more of this color. It's kind of, oh, it's almost out of frame, but not quite. So it does take the water really well. Now, the thing about this is, though, yeah, I might carry this set around, you know, when I'm based at home, but I don't think I want to take this on a flight, because I could take a lot less. And so that's kind of disappointing to me. A little bit. And these, they're like full size. So there's not a lot of, I don't even think, is there any mini stuff? I kind of thought there'd be more mini stuff in the travel set. No, not. These are, I think these are the Food de Go Cookie regular brush pens. It says a set of 4 retails for $17.78, which is pretty more expensive. Okay, I don't know, I'm mixing things. It's all about control with the Food de Go Cookie, I don't know how to say that, regular brush pens. The small brush tip on this tool is firm yet flexible, producing nicely controlled lines. This set, I lost my spot, includes 4 different colors, blue, black, brown, blue, black, brown, and green. I read that backwards. Each pen contains water-based pigment ink that glides smoothly onto your paper. Okay, so these are the, ooh, well, it does go on smoothly, but I mean, it feels very similar to the Coco Hero pen. Kuretake, Zig. These are nice pens. I don't know, like, if they're super special for travel, in my opinion. Regular. This is lighter than I thought it would be. I like that color, though. Brush pens. I do like the brown. Maybe I could do some less visible line. It's like the Coco Hero in that, you know, when I went fast, it kind of separates a bit, but let's see. Yeah, you kind of gotta go a little slower to get the whole smooth, what was it saying? The control part. Yeah. Okay, so that was the Artsnacks travel collection for 2019. And let me know what you think, because I've never got this before, and I have to say, I don't know if I will again. I mean, it's nice, but it is so much more expensive than the monthly kit, so it hasn't really wowed me for my first time purchase. And yeah, I'd love to know what you guys think. Thanks. See you with my next video.